Hi everyone! I am teacher Ewerton Cunha from Life and Job English Center. And here again, we are with a video in a series of pronunciation tips for you, okay? The last video, we talked about the different sounds we have in plural forms, the S in the end of the words, okay? And then, today, we have something similar for you. The sound of S in the middle and in the end of the words. Let's check it out. When you have letter S in the middle of the words, in general, it has the sound of Z. How can I identify it? When it is between two vowels. Let's see some examples. The word residence. Residence. They live in a posh residence. The words president and resign. The president has resigned. The word result. Let's analyze the results. Reason. Give me a good reason to read this book. Season. Winter is my favorite season. Position. He has a new job position. Transition. The company is passing through some transition. Easy. Good things never come easy. Husband. She has a jealous husband. Physician. I don't feel good. I have to see a physician. The next group of words I'm going to show you now has the letter S or in the middle of the word or at the end of the word, but in these cases we have the sound of S. In the cases they are in the middle of the word, attention, they are not between vowels, and this makes the sound to be S, not Z. Let's see the examples. The first word is desktop. Desktop. His desktop is full of apps. Muscles. My muscles hurt after working out. Biscuit. Taste these delicious biscuits. Case. That is a complicated case. Mouse. She saw a mouse in her house. Oh, the word house finishes in S sound. So in these three examples, I have S because letter E is not pronounced, it's a silent letter. So the words end in S. Obese. I got obese after the quarantine. Premise. That was the premise to start doing my exercises. Promise. I kept my promise. Plastic. That is made of plastic. Fast. Is this over? Oh, this video was very fast. So this is it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the tips on today's video. Gostaria de aproveitar um pouquinho e falar com vocês sobre o nosso e-learning course. Você sabe o que é o e-learning course? É o nosso curso EAD, um produto novo do Life and Job English Center. Então, além das dicas que nós damos aqui, é interessante você também aprender muito mais. E lá você tem a possibilidade de entrar numa plataforma, assistir os vídeos, verificar os conteúdos, repetir os vídeos quantas vezes você quiser, acessando do seu celular ou do seu computador. E tem ainda a possibilidade de assistir aulas online com o professor para tirar as dúvidas do que você está estudando. Dá uma verificada, checa nas nossas mídias sociais e aqui na descrição desse vídeo você tem o acesso para a plataforma EAD. Vale a pena conferir. See you in the next video. Bye bye!